This is the Forces on Your Page project. Here I'm going to open the Illustrator software first, create a new artboard here. We'll do 8.5 by 11 but landscape, okay? Because I always find it more appropriate in accordance with the view you have of your laptop. So we open that. Okay. Now, as I described in my syllabus, we need to have two rectangle boxes set up. So we'll do that. We go here to this tool, the rectangle tool, and do a rough. And then also we make sure that the stroke thickness here is hairline, which is 0.25 point. I just noticed here in the color, we don't need that the inside of the rectangle field, so we delete that, and we got this the outline. So now we need to get the proper dimension, and as I said, they are 475. We can fill that in here. 4.75 times 6. Nice. So this is it. Okay. Good. Before I continue, also we want to make sure this is on layer 1. We can always name that. And now we just need to copy this and do another one next to it. Okay. Just distribute them nicely and evenly. Roughly speaking. Good. Now we add a new layer. That's for the copy, the text. And here I got that prepared. So I'm just copy this here. And I'm going to fill it in here. Go into the type tool and replace this. Okay. Make sure I have Helvetica Bold as indicated in the syllabus. Good. And the size varies. Okay. So since I'm going to work on the left one first here, I'll place this here and maybe copy this, so I always have a spare one. Again, so this is, I'm going to do the set which asks for form and counterform. So let's do something on the left with form. Okay, so let's say I have something in mind. Okay. Okay, always copy because you need more of these. Okay. So now I'm going to use the second line. So I turn this, transform this. Okay, so it's like coming down from here. that. Okay, copy. So I need the third line. Okay, would be 180. I think -2, yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's that. Is this here? Okay. So we have 3 so far. So I need the 4th line. So forth. You get the idea. I'm making a form. Sorry. And here, this one, we have to rotate 90. Okay. So in other words, I build a form. Okay, so that's for me sufficient. It doesn't have to be complete. As you see, I left out a few of the last lines. So now I'm doing the counter form. Okay, here perhaps I'm just, let's do it this way. Okay, let's see. We go up to say 55. It's fairly large. What I have in mind. Okay, here it is. We can give it maybe a little rotation to make it more dynamic too. Just say 30. Okay, and now placement. Say I wanted to have it sharp up here, but it's going to, the point is here, that's interesting. It's going to overlap here and there. So to make this a little more simple, I can also create, I always like layers, cover, and this is done with this shape here. Make sure it's in white, and I can cover this up nicely. Okay, just a little more. That's too much. Okay, and then the same over here. We just copy this maybe. Okay, so obviously the emphasis is on the counter form here. So form and counter form. That's it for now. Thank you.